Hi, Darcy here from Perfect Surfaces. And with the arrival of summer, we would like to show you some tips and tricks on installing artificial grass. The first step is to make sure our subbase is ready. This is an important step that we need to make sure is done correctly. Start by removing the existing ground cover, such as sod, dirt, mulch, rock, or any other landscape material. Next, add 3 to 4 inches depth of a 10 to 15 millimeter crushed rock material. Make sure to use subangular rock that compacts well, but still allows for sufficient drainage. Once the agri material is spread, level the material while maintaining a positive slope away from your home and structures. Compact the subbase with a vibrating plate compactor or water-filled solid roller. Now that our subbase is complete, we need to thoroughly measure the area to make sure you are maximizing your turf rolls and minimizing seams. If any smaller pieces are required, unroll the turf in the driveway or street. Measure and cut the rolls of the size that you require using a chalk line and sharp utility knife. It is always recommended to cut through the back side of the turf, not through the top. The next step is to carry your turf piece or roll into the desired area. Roll it back out and install your synthetic turf by loose laying it in the space, making sure it covers the area fully and isn't short on any one edge. If more than one roll is required to complete your yard, make sure that the turf grain is going the same direction. This is important to ensure the grass looks uniform. When seaming 2 rolls together, always dry fit the seams and make sure they look good before physically seaming the rolls together. If the seam looks good before they are affixed together, there is no reason that they won't look good after. Take your time with this step. Once the rolls are laid out in the area and all wrinkles are pushed out, make all perimeter cuts using a sharp utility knife. Again, it is recommended to cut from the back side of the turf rather than from the top. Once the artificial turf is cut and fit to your space, using a hammer, install your 5-inch to 6-inch turf spikes around the entire perimeter, approximately 12 to 16 inches apart from one another. Finally, we can add the seam tape. Fold back both pieces of turf approximately 2 feet or until they stay flopped over by themselves. Then simply roll out the Mastergrass seam tape and cut to the length required. Keeping the tape as close to the center as possible, remove the backing from the seam tape. Starting at one end, bring your 2 pieces of turf together like a zipper and lay them down, keeping all the fibers upright and from getting trapped in the seam tape. The last step with most artificial grass is to add the infill material. This helps to keep the grass fibers standing upright and looking realistic. However, with Mastergrass Luxe, this step isn't necessarily required, but is recommended. Now, give your turf a quick brush and you're done. We hope you enjoyed watching this video to learn just how easy it is to install Mastergrass artificial turf. For more information, please visit us in-store or online at perfectsurfaces.ca. Thanks for watching.